In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hide Instagram following and followers list. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, open up Instagram. You need to tap on your profile down in the bottom right. And then once you go ahead and do that, tap the three lines up in the top right to open up your menu. From here, you need to scroll down until you see the who can see your account section. And you're going to see an account privacy option on here. You need to select account privacy and switch over to a private account. As soon as your account is private, people who don't follow you will not be able to see your followers and following list. And what you can also do is go back to your account itself, check the following list or follower list as well. And if there's anyone that you don't like on here, you could just hit the X right next to them and it'll go ahead and remove them. That's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.